Do you ever think about the mysteries hidden beyond the usual blue skies of Earth? What if we could go on a trip, a space journey through the solar system? Today, we travel through the big space to discover the wonders of the planets near us. First, we're going to Mercury, the littlest planet that's nearest to the Sun. This tiny planet is just a bit bigger than our moon. It moves around the Sun super fast in just 88 days. That makes it the quickest planet in our space neighborhood. Mercury's ground has loads of craters and looks like a space war zone, which shows how wild space can be. Even though it's so close to the Sun, Mercury can get super hot and super cold, which is really interesting. Next, we reach Venus, which is usually said to be Earth's twin because they're about the same size. But don't be tricked. Venus is far from friendly. It's hot enough to melt heavy stuff like lead and has a very dense air blanket around it, causing a heavy squeezing feeling. Venus is the meanest planet in our solar system. Its air is full of thick, poisonous clouds that bounce back sunlight, making Venus the second brightest thing we can see at night, after the moon. Our next stop is right in the middle of the solar system, our home, Earth. Earth is special because it has everything needed for living beings. It is filled with different places where plants and animals can live, from the deepest seas to the tallest mountains. It's the only planet we know of where life can exist, making Earth a real gem in space. Mars, the red planet, is next on our travel plan. It's called Mars after the Roman war god because it looks red. People are curious about Mars because it might have had life before. It has the highest volcano and the deepest valley in the whole solar system, so Mars is really extreme. Right now, we're doing missions on Mars to find out more about it and answer the old question: did Mars ever have life? Our last spot is the biggest planet we have, Jupiter. This huge gas planet over 11 times bigger than our Earth and has more than 70 moons. The most famous part, Jupiter, the big red spot, is a really big storm that's bigger than Earth, and it has been going on for a really long time. Jupiter has a powerful magnetic field that makes beautiful lights in the sky, giving us a beautiful space view. In short, every planet in our space neighborhood has its own special and interesting. Mercury is the smallest and quickest. Venus, the brightest and very tough. Earth, where life exists, the red one with lots of changes, and Jupiter, the biggest one with awesome storms and a magnetic field. Don't forget, the universe is a never-ending place of amazement, with secrets waiting to be discovered. So keep looking, keep asking questions, and who knows? You might find a space secret of your own one day.